NASA astronaut stuck in space reports strange noises coming from troubled Starliner capsule. A NASA astronaut at the ISS reported hearing a strange noise from the Starliner spacecraft before its Earth return. Astronaut Butch Wilmore contacted Mission Control in Houston to inquire about the unusual sound, which was pulsating steadily. Wilmore recorded the noise and played it for Mission Control, who described it as a sonar ping. Wilmore confirmed the sound came from the Starliner speaker and offered to replay it for further investigation. NASA's Mission Control plans to analyze the recording and identify the source of the strange noise. Starliner is scheduled to undock from the ISS and return to Earth on autopilot, landing in New Mexico. NASA delayed bringing Wilmore and Suni Williams back due to the spacecraft's recent issues, including thruster failures and helium leaks.